Having trouble performing?
I was considering throwing myself off the Hoover Dam.
Step away from that ledge, buddy, because there's a very good solution. Grown in South America, this little berry is guaranteed to make you harder than Chinese algebra. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Seriously? It never goes away.
Hello there, Vegas. Barry Jones here with a friendly reminder that it's adoption weekend down at Pets. So if you're lonely and find yourself needing some companionship, why not head on down there and pick out a new friend? The likes of which the world has never known, is sleeping directly beneath us and will one day awaken and tear out of the desert like an angry god, thirsty for the blood of wicked men. But since that's not happening right now, and all is fine, I suppose that's neither here nor there. This is Barry Jones, and you're listening to 101.4 Music Valley.
Have you ever had a nice dinner at home, interrupted by visuals of starving children writhing in filthy ditches?
I just couldn't take another bite.
Was your afternoon on the yacht?
You're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibes. Very special happening later. I've managed to get my hands on an original 45 demo from the legendary Chucky Baster. Now, Chuck Baster, as I'm sure all my listeners know, released two instantly classic LPs before succumbing to paranoia, locking himself in a shack in the Badlands of Montana and declaring himself the king of Basteronia, a small sovereign nation, population 1. As a result, we haven't heard anything from Chucky since 1974, but While rummaging through some used record bins at an estate sale last month, I stumbled across a rare gem. It's an acoustic demo of Baster's early single, Chicken Clocks a Tickin'. And we're going to take it for a spin later on this afternoon right here on 101.4 Classic Vibes.
Classic Vibes, 101.4.
Taking the zest out. Sorry about that. Show your spouse someone they've never seen before. Or say you find yourself in a highly contrived situation that requires you to get a new face immediately. I got one for you in my freezer. Can't tell you where I got it, but I'm passing the savings on to you. The Plastic Surgeon Pavilion of Creative Focus. Find us at 177 High End, or if that location is closed, head to the alley behind the club on Tropicana. Or you can go to the payphone at the corner of Tungsten Boulevard and Aliata Drive.